Magic. She said, "What's that in your pocket?"
Oh.
I was really embarrassed, so I didn't say anything. "Looks like you got something in your pocket." She asked, "Are you one of those people who stuffs their pockets?" She said, "You know, it's not good to put so many things in your pockets. It can drag down your pants." I nodded. She said, "Can I see what's in your pocket?" I said, "No." Why won't you let me see what's in your pocket?" I said, "We hardly know each other. So let's get to know each other." So we started to talk, had nothing in common. She then turned to me and she said, "Oh, look, your pocket's empty." "What happened?" I said it was magic.